Dental crowns are an everyday treatment for dental patients who are seeking to fix broken or damaged teeth. They completely cover a tooth, offering strength and security, and also improving the look that the teeth have. The cost for dental crowns can differ greatly according to where you're in. In this clip, we'll look at the cost of dental crowns within Europe against Turkey. Cost of dental crowns in Europe. In Europe, the price of dental crowns may be costly, especially in areas that are like Germany and the UK and Switzerland. The price for crowns for dental use in these areas can range from 500 to 1,500 euros for a tooth. This price is an issue for those that require dental crowns and can't be able to afford these. Cost of dental crowns in Turkey. In contrast, Turkey has become a sought-after location for dental tourism thanks to the quality of dental services offered for a reasonable price. The price of dental crowns in Turkey is considerably less expensive compared to Europe, with prices ranging between $150 to $500 per tooth. It includes a consultation, treatment, as well as aftercare, which makes it an affordable choice to those who are looking for dental crowns. Qualitative dental crowns in Europe as compared to Turkey. Even with the difference in price, the standard of dental crowns sold in Turkey are comparable to the ones from Europe. A majority of the dental centers within Turkey utilize the most advanced technologies as well as materials that ensure best quality of service. In addition, Turkish dentists are highly educated and skilled, offering top-quality dental care to patients. Benefits of getting dental crowns in Turkey. There are numerous benefits to the use of dental crowns in Turkey. These include cost reduction. As was mentioned in the past, the expense on dental crowns in Turkey is much cheaper than Europe. This makes it more affordable for a lot of people. A high-quality treatment experience. Turkish dental clinics offer superior care with the most modern techniques and materials to ensure that patients receive the finest possible treatment. Opportunities to travel. Many patients choose to pair their dental care by taking a trip to Turkey and taking the rich history as well as its rich culture, all while making improvements to the health of their teeth. In the end, the price of tooth crowns in Europe is much more expensive as compared to Turkey. Even though the expense of crowns for dental purposes in Europe may be an obstacle for some, dental treatments in Turkey provides a cheaper solution without losing high quality. Offering high-end dental care, the latest technology, and savings on costs, Turkey has become a very popular place to visit for dental treatment. Therefore, if you're looking for dental crowns, think about visiting Turkey for an affordable as well as high-quality dental procedure.